Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 22nd day of July 2025. And we just got done the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room. And you'll be familiar with it if you've watched any of our other previous episodes. This is our strong candle indicator. The setup is that we've had exhaustion and failure up here. And we as soon as we get a strong candle that closes below the 50 of the day, this is a beautiful, small, strong candle. It's not very big, but it's very powerful because it closed below the brick wall. So this is a trade taken in the room today. So let's go ahead and see how we go. The PVI, we expect the next candle to be anywhere from 50 to 60 ticks long. So we're going to use our standard ATM, which is 16s on the first target. Then we'll have runners for 31 and 61. So here we go. We're going to start with putting the trade on underneath the body of the candle. If it retraces back to the 50, we'll move it from the in front of the candle. We'll open this up a little bit. We'll change it from at the end of the candle to the body of the candle. And this is how it went. This will be real time until we get picked up in the trade, make sure all of our contracts. First thing we do is make sure our stop's in the proper position. Now it is. And now we just let the market do what it's going to do. We'll speed it up just a little bit. First target's out. Notice our risk came all the way down here. So now we're at a break-even position. If the market comes back and takes us out now, we won't, it'll be a break-even trade. So we got nothing to lose. Second target's out, which means we are in profit, even if it comes back and takes us out now. Now we can move our stop to +1 and see if we get our last target, or we can leave things the way they are. It's up to you how you want to play it. Usually we just let things run out, but if we want to break it off here, just in case it hits one of these brick walls and bounces back the other way, we don't really, no need to lose 14 ticks on that one there. So we got a 60 tick target. The 16s and the 31s are out, and we are done. That particular trade took less than 2 minutes to complete and was worth 620 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 620 US dollars in 2 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com, samuraidaytrading.com, where you'll have specific indicators that can teach pros and beginners how to use these indicators that you can only find at samuraidaytrading.com. So God bless you. We look forward to seeing you next time. Take care and have a beautiful day.